Hello, everyone. As you know, for the past few weeks, we have been focusing on persuasive writing. In the last class, however, we spent some time looking at the letter of application. In this lesson, we will briefly recap what is persuasive writing and some things about the letter of application. In addition to that, we will be making a profile using the Web 2.0 tool Prezi to market our skills to potential employers. This lesson will be fun. There is a lot to learn. The objectives for this lesson are: number one, analyze the effectiveness of persuasive strategies for use in the letter of application. Number two, write letters of application. Number three, use Web 2.0 tool Prezi to create electronic profile for the purpose of obtaining employment. Let's recap. What is the aim of persuasive writing? The aim of persuasive text or persuasive writing is to convince your audience to accept your point of view or to appeal to an individual in order to change the views so that they are more aligned or in agreement with yours. Persuasive strategies. Persuasive strategies are divided into three main categories, and it is important that you consider them when you are trying to persuade someone. They are pathos, and pathos has to do with emotional appeal. Logos, and this is when you are appealing to reason. Ethos, moral and ethical appeal. Some types of persuasive text are letters to the editor, advertisements, letter of application, and speeches. Do you remember all of those? Of course, there are some more. The letter of application. Now, if you remember from the previous lesson, we said that the letter of application is a formal letter. And because it is a formal letter, it must have the following: two addresses, the receiver and sender, the date, a subject line, salutation, and the salutation is otherwise known as the greeting, body, closing, and the signature. Now that you have written your own letter, as I think you should have because you got it for an assignment, the aim is to reach an audience. You want to ensure you receive offers for employment. This is where the Web 2.0 tool, Prezi, comes in very handy. What is Prezi and how does it work? I'm sure that's the question buzzing around in your minds. Prezi is an interactive PowerPoint app which allows you to create, share, collaborate, and make presentations. And the great thing is, you can make presentations using Prezi from anywhere in the world. Step 1, getting started. To begin, you need to type the following link in a new URL bar. It should take you to the following page. So this is what the first page looks like. Step 2. So you managed to successfully type the link in, and we're now at step 2, log in. Select the login option in the top right hand corner. Type your login information. That will take you to the next page. And this page should look something like this. You'll see the option New Presentation. Select the option New Presentation, which will take you to step 3. Step 3. Choosing a template. This is where you select a template to start creating your PowerPoint. And as you can see here, there are numerous templates from which to choose. However, I've shared one with you because I think this is most appropriate, or one of the most appropriate ones you find. Because your profile is a marketing tool, the template above is a suitable option. However, you may scroll through the wide range of templates to make your selection. Some helpful tips that you must consider while you are creating. Of course, the aim is to win over your audience, persuade them that you are the most suitable candidate for the job. It is all well and good if you have a wonderful cover letter. However, you need to bear these tips in mind. As you create, remember to consider the persuasive strategies. Using the persuasive strategies or the correct persuasive strategy is crucial. Be mindful of your audience. Use formal language. Check for grammatical errors and spelling errors, and share with your peers for constructive criticism. I am confident that you are ready. You've got this. Now, let's see what you can do. I am excited to see what you have created and how impressive you are.